They look simple, small, green, and easy to overlook. But what if these tiny seeds carried one of nature's most complete nutrient packages? Pumpkin seeds may appear ordinary, yet science reveals that they can support your hormones, protect your heart, calm your mind, and even improve your sleep. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this episode, we uncover 5 hidden benefits of pumpkin seeds, plus the best time to eat them, how much is enough, and the common mistakes that reduce their power. Let's get started with the benefits. Pumpkin seeds are exceptionally rich in zinc and magnesium, minerals crucial for hormone production. For men, zinc supports testosterone levels and helps maintain prostate health. For women, plant compounds known as phytoestrogens assist in balancing estrogen, easing symptoms of PMS and menopause. Clinical studies suggest regular pumpkin seed intake can reduce hot flashes and improve mood stability in midlife women. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin and then into melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep cycles. Combined with magnesium, tryptophan enhances relaxation and reduces nighttime anxiety. Consuming a small portion of pumpkin seeds 2 to 3 hours before bed can support deeper, more restorative sleep naturally. Magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants in pumpkin seeds form a trio of protection for the cardiovascular system. Research shows that regular intake may lower LDL cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and minimize inflammation, 3 major risk factors for heart disease. Simply put, these seeds work as quiet defenders of your arteries. Pumpkin seeds and their oil are rich in vitamin E, zinc, and linoleic acid, nutrients that nourish the scalp and protect cells from oxidative stress. A controlled study in men with pattern baldness found that those taking pumpkin seed oil daily experienced up to 40% more hair growth compared to the placebo group. Their antioxidants also help reduce skin damage caused by free radicals. Pumpkin seeds are high in fiber, iron, and plant-based compounds with natural anti-inflammatory and anti-parasitic effects. This combination supports a healthy digestive environment and strengthens immune defense. A daily handful can enhance nutrient absorption and keep the gut microbiome balanced. Remember, the ideal serving is 15 to 30 grams, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This provides sufficient zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats without excess calories. Eat pumpkin seeds in the morning for sustained energy and stable blood sugar, or consume them in the evening or before bed for calmness and better sleep quality. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads, or eat them lightly roasted for improved digestibility. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Overeating. More than 40 grams daily can cause bloating or mild stomach discomfort. Salted or flavored seeds. Extra sodium and additives reduce their nutritional value. Skipping soaking or roasting. Raw seeds contain anti-nutrients that block mineral absorption. Soak overnight or roast gently to neutralize them. Keep them in an airtight container away from heat. Their healthy fats oxidize quickly. So, nature hides its medicines in plain sight, and pumpkin seeds are one of them. By adding just a handful a day, you nourish your hormones, your heart, and your mind. If you found this episode useful, subscribe to the Mindhunters and explore our other videos on natural science-backed nutrition. Remember, small seeds, big science. Thanks for watching.